Beginner's Guide to Internet Scrabble Club. How to sign up. Open any browser and type www.google.com. After you type it, click enter and search for WordBiz. WORDBIZ. Now click enter. Click on the first link, Internet Scrabble Club. If you click on that, it will take you to Internet Scrabble Club. And now click English UK and click on OK. Click the option Sign Up. You have to choose a unique ISE name. Now choose a password. Type your email address for verification. After typing your email address, click on Create an account. Now it will ask you for a PIN code. The PIN will be sent in your email. Now go to your email and you can copy paste your PIN code. And I am pasting it here now. Or you can type it. Now click on OK. How to log in to ISE? Open any browser and type www.isc.ro and click enter. Type your ISE name and password and click connect. Finding your buddy. Click on the buddies icon. Search for your friend or opponent by typing their ISE name. After typing their ISE name, click on search. When you click on search, your opponent's name will come below as shown here. Left click on and it will be added to your buddies list. I am going to add another ISE name to my list. He is online. How to change settings? Click on the settings option. And go to game settings. You can set your initial time of the game as per your choice. You can go to the mode option and select 0. Notify me when a buddy joins or leaves. That's 3. For the English dictionary, choose the Collins Scrabble Words Dictionary or the CSW. For challenge, choose Void. And for the language, select English. How to start a match? You can either accept a match sent by your opponent. For now, I am declining it. I'll show you how to start a match. Click on the match icon. Type your opponent's ISC name. After you type your opponent's ISC name, click on match. Wait until your opponent accepts the match. You can see my time is ticking. It's my turn to play. I am planning to make the word brown. I have to use the blank tile and I'm going to use it as W and it does not have any value. After I finish the word, I am going to press done. Now it's my opponent's chance. He has made blade. Now it's my turn. Now I'm planning to change my tiles. For that I'm going to click the change option. You can either select all the tiles and change it or you can select whatever tiles you want. After you select your tiles, click on done. This is considered as one turn. My opponent has made sugar. It's my turn now. I'm making the word cat. So now I made twine and it says that EU is not a valid word. So I have to change it now. Yeah, I made twin. He made ratio. I can even pass my turn. So I'm clicking the option pass. Now it's his turn to play. He has made money. So the game continues like this until the time expires for one of the players. So my time is ticking. Now my game time has expired, so I will be getting 1 more minute with a 10 points penalty. I forfeit on time, hence my opponent wins the game. How to log out from Internet Scrabble Club? Click on Disconnect from ISC. Click on the option Yes. Thank you and good luck.